Hi everyone, welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So, uh, first of all, I would like to say thanks to everyone, those who have subscribed our channel, and many parents and many relatives, many friends, and uh, uh, everybody is supporting me a lot. So thanks to everyone. So and those who are I'm requesting those who are watching it first time, so please subscribe my channel, and please like it, and please share it, and uh, please comment under our videos. So your valuable feedback and your valuable suggestions are acceptable and appreciable. So this is Mohammed Naresh Reddy. I'm the mathematics teacher, having 17 years of experience in teaching of mathematics. So thank you very much. Let's start our lesson now. You're welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the fastest way of finding square root of any number, irrespective of number of digits. Okay, so here I have taken an example that the 24,336, we are going to find the square root of this 24,336 within 5 seconds now. The fastest way to the finding the square root of any number. First, this number, this shortcut method has been given by uh, Shakuntala Devi, Mrs. Shakuntala Devi. So she is the goddess of mathematics. So she known as a human computer. You know that, and also in some areas they call as queen of mathematics. I think you might have seen and the Shakuntala Devi. So we can see now that she is Shakuntala Devi. So let us respect her, and she is called as a human computer. Okay. So here, our lesson is here to find the square root of 24,336 is how much. Now see, before finding this answer, so to make you better understand, so first let me explain with small number. Okay, let me explain with small number now. So before learning this the small number, first you need to know the squares of numbers from 1 to 20. Means here already you're able to see on the screen 1 square is equal 1, 2 square is equal 4, and 3 square is equal 9, 4 square is equal 16, like that up to 20 square. Then on the screen I'm showing now. Okay, so 1 square is equal 1 means, yeah, we know that everyone knows 1 ones are 1. 2 square is equal 4, 2 twos are 4, where the 4 is a perfect square. And also whenever 2 square is equal 4 means square of 2 is equal 4, then the square root of 4 must be 2. Then what would be the square root of 9? 3. What would be the square root of 16? 4. So like that, up to 20 square I have given to you. So compulsory, you need to be keep in your mind this all the things now. Okay, very easy. If you just work hard for just half an hour, compulsory you will get it, and you never forget this all the values now. Okay, now let's see this all the perfect square. Let us observe this all units digits of this all the numbers. Okay, so up to 3 square they are general. Now from the 4 square, the 2-digit number has been started. So the 4 square is equal to 16, means the square of 4 ends with 6, and the square of 5 ends with 5. The square of 6 ends with 6 here. If you observe this, if you observe this, see here, the 6 is repeated. The 6 is a unit digit of the square of 4 and as well as unit digit of 6. Got the point? And also here the square of 8 is 64 and the square of 2 also 4, means the 4 is also repeated. And the square of 9 is 81, means it is ending with 1, and the square of 1 also ending with 1. It has only one number, of course. Okay, and also the square of 7 is 49, means it is ending with 9. The square of 3 also ending with 9. means your unit digits are repeating except 5 square. I think you are understanding. It is the most important concept, which are the repeated unit digit. By using this repeated unit digits only, we are going to teach something now. Okay, now let's start our lesson. Here also the same thing, same. However, the repeated, the same unit digits are same repeated here also. Okay, now let's start. How far it help us to find the square root of every number now. Let's see. Yeah, let us take an example now. So first, I already told you to make you better understanding. So first, let us start with 144. Okay, let's see. See here, the given number is 144. So the given number is 144. Okay. So here, let us divide this number. Let us divide into two parts. Don't I think you have understood. Two parts. Two parts means from the right side we need to go here from right side. Got the point? So from the right side I am dividing. First let us take the first two digits from the right side, and I'm dividing here like this. I think you might understand that. Okay. So here see, here we have divided into two parts, and let us take the first part. This is the first part, and this is second part. The first part is 44, 44. Let us take its units digits. I think you might understand. Let us take its unit digit. What is the unit digit here? 4. Again, come to our chart now. Okay, in the chart, see the 4 unit digit having two perfect square as their unit digit. What are those perfect squares? The first one is 2 and the second one is 8. Have you understood? The first one is 2 and the second one is 8. Means this 144, the square root may end with 2 and may end with 8. But okay, and at last you will get the conclusion by what exact number it ends at. Okay, so let us take the two numbers now. Okay, it may end with 2 or 4. So here I'm writing here. So 2 or 4. Okay. And the next part I am taking now. Second part is completed. Only we have taken unit digit. Okay. And the second part is only 1. I think you might know that. And this 1, we need to take that, which is the nearest perfect square of the 1 we need to be taken. Now, what is that? This 1 is nothing but 1 square. So there is only 1, 1. That's why let us take here 1. So here we are getting an doubt here. So the square root of 144, whether 12 or 14. So here 12 or 4. Here how we can decide, see. Here is one beautiful step I am going to teach now. So 12 or 1, 4. So here we have taken here the part here 1. This 1, let us multiply with its next number. Let us multiply with its next number. What is the next number of 1? It is next to the 1 is 2. Let us multiply. 1 2s are 2 we have got here. And just to compare these 2 and 1. Here 1 is less than 2. Means this first part is less than 2. So that we need to take here small number between 2 and 4 here. If 1 is greater than 2, for example, if the first part is greater than the product of the number its next number, then we need to take the biggest number among them. Got the point? If yeah, the product of 192 is bigger than this first part is bigger than 192, then we need to take here 4. But here 192 is equal to which is greater than 1, means the first part is less than 2, so that we need to take here small number. So that's why what is our answer? 12. Very simple. Within simple techniques, by using this we can see now. Okay, now let's see with another problem. Yeah, let's take another example now. So it is 1089. Just I have increased the number now, number of digits. So the 10289. So let's write as, yeah, see, as it is I'm writing 1089. I already told you from right side we need to divide in two parts. So from right side, first selected two parts and the next two parts, and divide into um, two parts. Then see, this is the first step. In the second step, what do we need to do? We need to take the unit digit of the first part. It is 9, first part. So let us see the first part, 9. Here 9 means in the two times it is repeating, where it is 3 square is equal 9 and 7 square is equal 49. Means here see, the square root of this 1089 may end with either 7 or 3. So here I'm writing here 3 or 7. Then write two parts down. And the next, the second part is 10. Okay, this 10, see here, the square, this 10c lies between 9 and 16, isn't it that? So 9 and 16 means 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4. Means the 10 lies between the squares of 3 square and 4 square. Okay, so as the 4 square is equal to 16, it, which is the more than 10, so here we need to take 3 square. Means here 3 as I'm taking as the square root here. 3. Means the square root of 1089 may be 33 or 37. Maybe. But which one is the correct? I already told you it is the most important thing here. So let us multiply these three with its successive number. What is the successive number of 4? 3? It is 4. Now that is equal to 12. And let's compare this 10 and 12. As it is less than 12, we need to take a smaller number. So that's why let us attach 3 with the 3. Then what is the answer? 33 is our the square root of 1089. Here you can ask a doubt. Sir, okay, you said that the second part is greater than the less than this product, then we need to take the small number. If it is greater than, we need to take the big number. If it is equal, then what happened? If they are equal, also we need to take a bigger number only. Okay, whenever the first part is less than the product, then only we need to select the smallest number. I think got it here. Okay, now let's take another example. Yeah, let's take another example. The same now. So our hero has arrived at 24,336. Now we are going to find the square root of 24,336 now. Now let us see. Let us find the square root of 24,336. So here as it is I'm writing. Wait. Now as I told that from the right side I am dividing into two parts. First two parts as the first part. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, it may be maybe two digits, maybe three digits, but only just divide into two parts now. Got the point? Now 36 and 243 we got here. Let's take the unit digit of the first part. Then it is 6. Here 6 is repeated twice here. Then which is the for the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 6 is 36. Means this the square root of 24,336 may end with either 4 or 6. I think got the point now. Now let's take the second part, that is 243. So the 243 lies between, here we need to check here. So the 243 lies between, see here, it lies between 225 and 256. Okay, means it's 243 means its square root lies between 15 and 16. So as 243 is less than 256, we need to take here 15. I think got the point now. Now, what is the suitable number to be added here, whether 4 or 6? Means I already told you we need to multiply with its successive number. The successive number of is 15 is 16. Now, the 15 16s are, let's multiply now. Now, 15 6 are 90 and 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 9 to 4 means 16 15 the 240. So, let us compare this 240 with 243 where this 243 is greater than 240. I think you understand. So where it is greater than, so it is a bigger than 240. That's why which number is to be selected? The bigger number. So let us add the 15 with the 6. The final answer is 156. Was it awesome, my dear students here? It's the most important, and we would like to say thanks to everyone, thankful to Shakuntala Devi. Okay, she is the greatest mathematician, the queen of mathematics. Within the seconds, we can complete now. Okay, I think you got the clear about how to find the square root of any number irrespective of the number of digits by using this step. Now no need of quantifying, simply you can do it. But you need to get the squares of up to 20. Okay, understood. If the bigger number, if it is 5-digit number, okay, up to 20 square. Okay, if the number is more than the 40,000, compulsory you need to now the squares up to from 30 square, 32 square, 33 square, 34 square. Okay, that by because to check where the number is lies between the perfect squares now. Okay, I think got the point. I think if you like this video, and please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you very much. You can also try some more examples now. Okay, I'm giving. Let's take another example here: 256 and 20,736. You can also find these square roots. Okay, find the square roots of 256 and the square root of 20,736 here. Okay, you can try it, and please write your answers in the comment box under our video. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please like it and please share it. I think um, you might have learned this wonderful techniques and wonderful mathematics. Thank you very much. Please subscribe now.